Okay, hello everyone. So basically today I'll be having an interview with you to find what is your feedback about of my UI UX design.
Alright,
So from that interview, I will get the feedback and then I will basically improve on what from your feedback is.
okay.
So as you can see, right, this is the main menu of my game,
Mm-hmm.
and then I just like to maybe get your response from this.
Okay, so may I like click on stuff? Okay. Okay, so I assume these are like the buttons to navigate throughout your game. Okay, your UI is a bit too simple. I think you can maybe add buttons and panels, or maybe just a simple start like adding the name of the game. Yeah, it could be like much clearer. Apart from that, this highlighting thing, yeah, it makes it seem interactive. Okay, now let's try starting. Okay, so I assume this is the gameplay screen, is it?
Yeah, this is definitely a gameplay screen. So this is like the user interface of the whole game. It's like a FPS game, as you
So
can
it's a
see.
first-person shooter game, is it?
Yes.
Alright, okay. So firstly, I can see there's a mini map on the top right, quite crisp. You can see maybe I assume these are enemies and this is you based on the colors. Okay, apart from that, I think this is a crosshair for your gun. And can I click on this?
These are not clickable, but you can just toggle in with them with numbers.
Oh, numbers. Okay, so I assume this is how it look like when you switch weapons in a game.
Yes.
Okay, these are buttons. Oh, it works. No bullets. Oh, this is only one direction. Okay. May I know what is this for?
So basically, right, that is when every time you die or when your health gets depleted, you will have a smooth transition, a random transition to another kind of affiliation. So which is you're having teams, as you can see. Once you are
So
dead,
this actually represents the team you're in this game.
yes.
Okay, I understand. Okay, I think in terms of the overall look of it, these buttons will not be in the actual game itself, right?
These buttons will not be in the actual game itself, but this is like a rough indicator of how the UI transition will be like.
Okay, so I think yeah, overall it shows me what the game can do. But yeah, I think the map can be like slightly smaller as it's taking up too much space in the screen, and I don't really see like what kind of characters you're gonna have. So yeah, I couldn't really say much about that. But apart from that, I think this crosshair over here is a bit too huge and it's not really like straight like in a sense. You could like make it maybe straighter lines so you know like precisely can aim where you shoot. Then apart from that, these guns. Oh, yeah, I clicked something wrong.
Basically, right, what you click earlier on, these are the objective. So from what you get to click earlier, it will pop up a kind of a hidden objective that you have to collect in order to.
So it's a objective within a first-person shooter game.
Yes.
I see. Okay, objectives. In the actual gameplay, will this be clickable, or like to know what objective they are, or is it just this by itself, this icons by itself?
So basically, right, in the game itself, it's basically a kind of it's like where it's not clickable, but in a sense that it will show up. It will be a static image, so it will show what kind of objective you have to do, but it randomly appear.
Okay, I see. I think I like this uh, three. You can switch between. I think assume this is a knife, a gun, and an assault rifle. I think it could be more cleaner if you put it like stack one on top of each other, so you don't have to like scroll in a circular motion. And yeah, apart from that, everything seems fine. I assume this is gonna be like the ammunition that you have for your guns, and also this will be your health bar. There we go. Okay, so once you die, you lose your objective, is it?
Yes, because from the objective, if it's being lit up, it will means that your objective has been collected. So once you die, you will lose all your objective.
Okay, okay. Apart from that, maybe you can add more color instead of making everything black. Like, yeah, I like this icon. Like maybe to represent the tape, you can have like maybe blue tape, have a blue color. And yeah, this is nice. Like you can have it in yellow. Yeah, apart from that, everything can be like more cleaner in terms of like the borders, make the lines more like crispier and more satisfying to look at. Yeah, and yeah, overall I think yeah, this is a pretty good prototype as a start.
Okay, thank you, Ridwan. So I
Thank you,
think
XuanJun.
that will be all. So I'll take your feedback in mind. So basically, that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.